Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluchi, a makeup artist and an esthetician. So as I was already filming, I got a knock on the door and I received some parcels. This vitamin C happened to be one of them. So this is the Garnier Vitamin C Fresh and Bright Hydrating Sorbet Cream. So it's interesting, like sorbet and everything. So this, as I can see, it has 4% vitamin C and niacinamide. So let's open it up. This is going to be a first impressions video. Like I said, I haven't tried this before. I literally just received this. So okay, it has a faint citrusy smell and it is gel-like. So it is gel-like. Trust me, I haven't used it. I don't know why it has that hole in the middle. Oh no, somewhere in the cover. So I think it transferred in the cover right there. So let us see what this is like. This is not, in my opinion, this is not like your regular moisturizer. This is like sorbet, as it says. It's almost, if I were a child, I'm sure that I will try to experiment by licking this. But so let's go straight into it. This is, if you can see, I'm trying for this not to focus on my face. Yeah, this, it is not like your regular cream where you apply it and it looks very glossy. It is not. It is more like, it is not like your regular cream, but I would say that it feels quite refreshing. It feels quite soothing. You know, when, I don't know how to explain it, but it feels, you know, like minty a bit. It's cooling as a term. It feels very cooling on application, and this is basically meant for the face. But yeah, so that is it on first looking at it. It has, I think it has like little specks of glitters, if I can say. Yes, it has little specks of glitters. So having applied it at the back of my hand, I would say that I don't think it will leave the face glossy, if you know what I mean. It won't leave the face looking glowing. That's the word. Yeah, glowing. So it's just there on the skin. It's just there on the skin, but I would say that it feels soothing. And off my head, I can already tell that this will be very suitable to use during summertime when it's, you know, you don't want that heavy caked, greasy, suffocating moisturizer on the face. This would really come in handy during summertime. So this is a perfect, I mean, I just got it at the right time. I'll be sure to really use this during summertime. Hopefully I remember. And now let me get straight to what it claims that it does, and then I'll give my opinion. And hopefully, if you guys want me to come back and use this and give you an actual review, because this is a first impressions video, I'm more than happy to do that. So feel free to drop that in the comment section below if you want me to use this and then come back and give you my final verdict. So just to throw this in, this is not going to replace your vitamin C serums or your, you know, high-end vitamin C that potentially takes out, you know, helps with pigmentation issues. This is just an add-on, and this is just an affordable, you know, add-on, like I mentioned. So that has to be it for today's video. You know, like I said, this is just first impression. So if you want me to do a detailed review on this and all that jazz, let me know in the comment section below, and I will catch you in my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.